Hello there. My name is Alexa, and I've been in learning and development sphere for many years now, and I've dealt with so many learning management systems that today I really decided to take one of the most, let's say, core LMS is Talent LMS. And definitely, we are going to check some of the alternatives, but just to understand a little bit more what is Talent LMS and also why we should be looking for some alternatives. I will be very excited to tell you all about that in this video. Talent LMS is generally best for small, mid-sized companies and for teams who want something quick and easy to launch. It's affordable and relatively easy to start with, but many growing companies eventually run into a few limitations inside of Talent LMS, such as limited customization and branding. Reporting, even though it has customization inside, but it's still quite limited. Also, integrations issues sometimes might happen, so there is something to work your way out as well. And a few reviews also stated that the user interface is a little bit outdated in some parts. So, yeah, whenever you are scaling and you decide that you want to have something more flexible, modern, for instance, more automated, maybe AI driven, then it is a good call to explore some alternatives, which we are doing in this video. Let's go through the best options. First up is EducateMe, and it is one of the strongest modern alternative if you want corporate LMS built with AI as its core. So yeah, as for the solutions, it works very nice with upskilling, onboarding, partners, customers, education, and as for the features, very what's different from Talent LMS, for instance, is that it has many AI features related to course creation, also AI role play that you can use for role based training, and also it is a quite nice in terms of customization and branding. So if you're looking for a white label LMS, this is a good call. Plus it includes multi-tenancy, which is also a very great advantage. Yeah, and whenever again you compare Talent LMS, EducateMe offers much it offers much also flexible pricing in terms of different plans, different budgets. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. The one downside is that there is no dedicated mobile app yet, although the platform works well on mobile browsers. We are moving to the second alternative, so keep watching. Moodle is ideal for universities, nonprofits, and organizations that want full technical control because it's open source and Talent LMS simply can't match it. And plus, in Moodle, you can customize a lot of things. And trade-off is complexity. So many teams need developers or plugins just to maintain the system. So it's powerful, but not always beginner friendly. So yeah, definitely worth checking. However, it is definitely as another solution whenever something I mentioned previously fits your checks. Now we are moving to another alternative, which is LearnWorlds. LearnWorlds is best for selling courses. So whenever you are like course creators, academies, businesses focused on monetized learning, LearnWorlds is a great option. It includes advanced like interactive videos, also like marketing funnels and so on, payment integrations. So if training is a part of your revenue model, this platform really shines. However, the system can feel complex at first, and many advanced tools sit behind like pricing tires. So definitely, yeah, worth checking in terms of understanding if this is something you're looking for most rather than the previous discussed solutions. Yeah, as for the features, you can also like build a lot of things there, and it is more again flexible for content creators sort of cases. So yeah, we are moving to another alternative, which is the Chiba. Docebo is an enterprise LMS, and it is designed mainly for large enterprises and also for global teams and AI-driven needs. So its strength includes some AI recommendations, also like virtual assistants, and also whenever you are looking for some large scale analytics automation, um, you will often see the Chiba used in multinational organizations. The downside is cost and complexity. Sometimes implementation can be heavy compared to Talent LMS or like newer platforms. Definitely still worth checking. However, now we're moving to another alternative. Litmos works well for small to mid-sized organizations, also good for instructor-led programs, and it is a gamified learning environment. So it includes different automations, large course library, and as well, as mentioned before, it is quite gamified environment. So yeah. However, reporting, usability, and support response times are sometimes mentioned as limitations. Yeah. However, whenever you decide on checking their pricing, you can also view different sort of features included there. However, you would need to provide more information in order to get the pricing. Now, let's move to our final thoughts for this video. If the question remains on which talent LMS alternative is the best fit, then I have to say it really, really depends on your goals. But here is a very quick basic conclusion. Whenever you're looking for something AI driven, with more flexibility, especially when it comes to pricing, definitely EducateMe is the best choice for that. Whenever you are aiming for something like open source control, go with Moodle. Whenever there is maybe like course sales, monetization, and all these things, I would say LearnWorlds might be the best for that. Whenever there is enterprise AI learning and anything related to like big scale training, the Chiba might be a very nice thing to choose. Compliance heavy training, probably absorb LMS is going to be a great fit for that. Collaborative learning, 360 learning is for sure. So yeah, Talent LMS again is still a solid training point, but it's just not always the best and the right fit for every sort of organization. So that's exactly why there is always my personal recommendation to check out different LMS that are still evolving today and changing. Yes, thank you a lot for watching. If you're currently comparing LMS platforms and looking for some alternatives to Talent LMS, definitely check out our article, which is in the description box. Follow the link, and we will be very, very happy to hear your feedback as well.